Hi there, welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of Annette Funicello's Pineapple Princess. So what we're going to do in the video is first of all look at the chords for GCEA, soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then we'll take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming a little bit. Just as a reminder, there are chapters that appear in the video here, so you can use the slider or the list to jump to parts of the video that matter to you. If you like the chords, you can find the chord chart or tabs at ukestuff.info. Ukestuff is a collaborator of the site. And if you want to support the channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a coffee to say thanks at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Flight Jade DUC 380 CEQ concert ukulele. All right, the first chord is the G chord, then the D chord, however you want to play it. Now, talking about the D chord, I always put my first finger at the top of the third string second fret and my other two fingers around it. You can play it with three fingers in a row, 1, 2, 3. You can play it with fingers 2, 3, 4. You can play it with fingers 1 and 2. You can even play it with one finger, bending your finger like that. Just don't reach over with your thumb. Then there's the A7 chord, and then there's the Hawaiian D7 chord without a D in it, actually. And those are the four chords to play Pineapple Princess on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at baritone. For baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainline baritone, cedar top, rosewood back and sides. The first chord is the G chord, then the D chord, then the A7 chord. This is a bar chord, so you're going to take your first finger, lay it across all four strings right above the metal second fret, pull against the fretboard. That'll give you most of your sound is in that part of the tension, just using leverage. It's not pressing real hard, it's just using leverage and then lightly support with your thumb. So you don't need to have a vice grip of death there to make that chord. And then add your second finger to the first string third fret. That's your A7 chord. And then the D7 chord. And those are the four chords you need to play Pineapple Princess by Annette Funicello on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. All right, now in terms of strumming, just want to let you know it's really hard to pick out a individual strumming pattern in this song that is recommended at all times. You might find yourself changing, and that's okay. The very first thing I want to tell you is that there's really never one singular right strumming pattern. There are very few songs that have a singular pattern. Maybe Is Over the Rainbow is one, but again, if you're playing Is Over the Rainbow, you need to have a low G ukulele to actually play the right strumming pattern, because if you have a high G ukulele, it doesn't sound right when you try to play the same actual pattern that is played. So there's a lot of variations and a lot of things that come into finding a strumming pattern. Really, as long as you're moving with the tempo and it fits with the style of the song, that's all that matters. Now, if you can't find something yourself that you like, that's what this video is all about and why I create these videos. That's the whole reason why these tutorials exist. All right, and for strumming, just want to mention that I switched to using my Maya Moe concert ukulele. And not that anything was wrong with the Flight, I just accidentally grabbed this and recorded that part already and just realized that I forgot to introduce this instrument since I grabbed it and it was out. So this is my Maya Moe Myrtle concert ukulele. So with this song, here's what I'm thinking. Okay, so we start off, I'm going to start on the G chord actually, I think. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So my hand never stops moving. I'm strumming where the body meets the neck. I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down. Now, anytime you change a chord, you're going to skip an up. So at the beginning here, I'm following this line of G, D, A7, D, G, D with a fast D, G before the final D here. So I'll show you what I mean by that. I'm going to go slow here. I'm going to go down to the D, the A7, to the D, So did you hear on the D and the G when they are fast changes? I went down, down, up, down, down, up, and I shortened that pattern. But it's still just a variation of down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now a little faster. Now I did play around with the idea of an island strum, which would be down, down, up, down, up. Now you could try that. I'll show you what that sounds like, but I think I like the other one better with the rhythm that's behind the song. But anyway, here's that down, down, up at a faster tempo with this. All right, so just so you can hear it and hear the difference. Now, individually, that might be the better solution, but with the recording, with the play along, I think this works better. And of course, what you do is up to you. So if you like the island strum better, or you just want to play single strums, there's nothing wrong with that either. That works as well. All right, so with those strumming patterns and with those chords, that's all you need to be successful on Pineapple Princess by Annette Funicello. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.